Hello guys, it's Daniel, UK, here with another MLG tutorial. In today's tutorial I will be showing you how to fix a keyboard key that intermittently cuts off. The specific keyboard in this video is the Casio LK-33. Step 1. Remove screws. In this case there are too many screws. Step 2. Look at the dirtiness within. What filth? Step 3. Clean this mess up a bit. Step 4. After some more disassembly, the culprit has been found. A tiny speck of who knows what has been causing the problem the whole time. Step 5. Reassemble and don't forget any of the screws. Remember to torque them to the specification of the manufacturer with a torque screwdriver. Step 6. Enjoy that your key now works as it should.